Hi there, this is Siddesh on the mic, and today we're going to take a look at Clients Updates Tracker. We'll understand the purpose of the tracker, why the tracker is used in technoscience. Right. So the tracker has two purposes. The first purpose is for client anchors or key account managers to add the new job roles which we receive from the clients, and to actively track updates for the same with respect to profile shortlists, interviews, offers and joinings against each role. The second use of the tracker here is for client anchors or the key account managers to host a role delegation call every day, every morning with all the team managers in technoscience to assign new job requirements and job roles that we receive from our clients to their team members and update them on the recent developments or the latest updates on the active job roles that are being serviced by their team members. So let's take a quick look at the Clients Updates Tracker. This is how the tracker looks like. We have maintained it on one of the cloud drives, and the access of this tracker is only with the client anchors. The editing access has only been given to the client anchors. All the other members in technoscience only have the viewing access. Now the reason here is so that we don't compromise on this data. This data is very crucial because this data gives us a clear picture of how many roles we have received and how many out of those roles we have converted. So whenever, at the time or as and when the client anchors get the role, they quickly come to this tracker and add the details here. Let's start with the first row here. It says POC, which is point of contact. Now, the point of contact in the second row says Ajay, which means Ajay is the person from the client side with whom our client anchors will coordinate for these roles. Okay. The next header here is name of the client. So we've received a role from this particular client, and the name of the role now is packaging development. What's the update on that role? It says Rituja accepted offer, billing details received, which means we had shortlisted Rituja's profile. One of our recruiters had shortlisted Rituja's profile. Rituja cleared all the interview rounds. She was offered this role and she accepted the offer. Next header is updated, which is the latest update of this role. Moving to the right side, what is the role status of this role? The role is successfully closed by technoscience. Date assigned. 10th August 2020 was the date when this role had come to technoscience. What is the joining or offer stage status? The candidate has joined, and name of the hire, Rituja. The client anchor here is Palak. She's one of our client anchors, and the client status says current, which means it's a current client of technoscience. So these details are very important and they are very crucial to maintain because it gives us a very clear picture of how many roles we receive and how many roles, after receiving, how many roles out of those we convert. Unlike client anchors, our recruiters do have access to this file, but they only have viewing access. For example, at any given point of time, if me as a recruiter, if I feel that I have to check the updates of my roles or I have to check the latest updates of my role, I can quickly open this link. This link is shared with the recruiter. So I can come to this tracker and I can track the updates. So that would be it from my side for this video module. This is Siddesh Rao signing off, and I'll see you in the next module. Thank you.